Hello everybody, in my channel today we have a new exponential equation t exponent of t is equal to 19. We are find the value of t is unknown. According to the property of Lombard W function, and also if we check by inspection method, we are putting here the value of by substituting method ft is equal to 0 plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 and plus minus 3 up to so on. So you look here, if we put 0 divided by 0, so we are undefined case. Now n1 divided by 1 is also we get 1. Similarly, if we put here t is equal to 2 and we put here 2 exponent of 2 is equal to 2 dot 2 is equal to 4, so that is not equal to 19. Similarly, if we put here 3, so the result is 3 exponent of 3, we can write 3 exponent of 3 times, so we get 27. And it means that 19 lies between these two integers, so the answer will be lies 2 less than or equal to t, less than or equal to t and 3, because so here equality is not coming because both results are not equal. It means that the value of t lies in this range. So now we calculate the result of t. Natural logarithm t exponent of t is equal to log of natural logarithm of t. So as we know that now according to the property of logarithm property, we are applying here the property of exponent rule, log m exponent of n times log of m. According to this property we are applying here, so t will be transferred to the times of log of t times log of t is equal to log of 19. Now according to the W function, W Lombard function we have, according to this function we can write W x dot e exponent of x is equal to x. It means that here this e exponent of e x power x is considered as function, and this is the coefficient of the function, and this one is the power or exponent. Power or exponent must be same, coefficient and power must be same, so the result will be equal to x. Now we are needed here another property of t. We can write here log of t is required, e exponent of log of a is equal to a. So another property of common natural logarithm base e, log of a is equal to e, because e this will be cancelled, we get here a. So now this t we can write according to this function, we can write e log of t is equal to t, that is log of t is equal to log of 19. Now interchange this value, because according to the W Lombard function here x and e exponent log of is considered as the power, and here we interchange log of t and e log of t is equal to log of 19. Applying Lombard W function on both sides, so we can write W log of t, e exponent of log of t is equal to W log of 19. So according to the W function, so log of t is, this is equal, log of t is equal to W log of 19. Now log of t we have already discussed this, e exponent of log of a is equal to a, and E log of t is equal to t. So according to log of t is equal to, this will be equal. Now applying also the base, we are applying base is required E. Taking base E on both sides, so E log of t is equal to E W log of 19. So this will be equal to t, t is equal to W log of 19. And this result, if we calculate this result, we will get here 2.83. So the value of here 2.83. So already we have taken, so 2 less than t less than 3. It means that 2.3 lies in this interval. It means that our answer is correct. Now we are also want to check this result. To check this result, t exponent of t is equal to 19. If we replace this result 2.83 is equal to 19, we are checking. So if we calculate 9 is question mark 19. Now we round this number, so we will get here 19 is approximately 19. So it means that our answer is correct. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you advance for the comments.